Imagine if you were a doctor in 1895 and decided to intentionally infect two mentally disabled boys with gonorrhea. Today, we uncover the dark history of secret government experiments hidden for decades. In 1895, pediatrician Henry Hyman conducted a horrific trial in New York City, infecting two boys with gonorrhea. This unethical act was just the beginning of a pattern where innocent civilians were used for medical research. Decades later, during World War II, the U.S. Navy allegedly tested invisibility technology on the USS Eldridge in 1943. While this sounds like fiction, researchers suggest these classified tests were likely based on real scientific attempts. The scope of these violations expanded to include the MKULT-RO program, a mind control initiative that operated for years. Documents from 2025 reveal that over 75 years, the government engaged in unlawful biological warfare tests on unaware citizens. One of the earliest and most shocking cases was Project 4.1, where initial findings were actually published in professional medical journals as early as 1955. Despite this transparency, the government never fully admitted the extent of these unethical experiments. At the time, the American public largely ignored these abuses because they were united in winning World 30 and eager to bring troops home safely. However, modern investigations have finally illuminated these hidden chapters of history. From gonorrhea infections in 1895 to invisible ships in 1995 to invisible ships in 1995 to invisible ships in 1995 to invisible ships in 1943, a stain on medical ethics. We now know that many secrets were kept for decades to protect national interests. The truth about MKUltra and Project 4.1 is just the surface of what happened. What other historical experiment do you think was a cover-up? Let me know in the comments below.